Earthworld Architects is a company that was started by myself and Brian de Villiers. In 2000, we formalized the company to start Earthworld Architects. I'm thinking 12, 13 years back that we started using ArchiCAD. And I think, yeah, we've never looked back.
Architecture is changing and moving into this craftsmanship kind of era, if you want to call it, that everything is becoming a manufactured product. With ArchiCAD, we were able to achieve that because it allows you to actually work in that fine tolerances. The fluidity of actually getting that right was very easy.
ArchiCAD fits into our system seamlessly in terms of combining interior architecture and architecture.
So when I started working here, it was very easy to adapt to ArchiCAD. And I've also realized along the past 4 years that I've been here, everyone who does come in that doesn't know the program, it is easy for us to explain to them. Because it is really user-friendly, I would say.
With the Future Africa project, which is a competition that we won, that we're doing for the University of Pretoria, we utilized ArchiCAD from the onset, in our presentations, walkthroughs, building information modeling, and it was an exceptional tool in terms of communicating our design in a very short period of time to our client. With that project, the brief was basically to make people think different about buildings. The way people build is, it's all sequential and it's in theory. Where I think ArchiCAD is now bringing in possibilities of starting to build in parallel. You can start manufacturing the entire building and all the components from day zero if you do your groundwork correctly. And that's where ArchiCAD is very valuable, because you can work to the finest, minute detail on modeling in model space, and then you can translate that into a manufacturing language that can be read by either robots, 3D printers, CNC machines, all kinds of and modes of digital manufacturing. There were a lot of teething problems, there were a lot of issues, but the one issue that there were never errors in our documentation. I think there's a new era dawning in terms of the architect's role. And where ArchiCAD is becoming an extremely valuable tool is the architect can become the master builder again. The architect can become the holder of information, the integrator of information, the creator of systems.
ArchiCAD is an asset to independent interior designers, also due to the fact that if whoever they are working with, like subcontractors or contractors, if they're using a different program, you can export whatever you're doing to their kind of program as well. But then for modeling and so on and getting everything documented correctly, I think ArchiCAD's amazing with regards to that.
A seamless interface with things like Rhino, Grasshopper, SolidWorks is quintessential, and that's what ArchiCAD is offering us.
Yeah, this is the kind of work that we do, and we're always groundbreaking and trying to achieve the impossible.